to global warming. Help me! I'm melting!
Oh no!
You back, thank God. I'm so worried. Huh?
No!
Hey, it's okay. We will make a new house for you.
Thank you!
Cardboard? Good thinking. Thank you, Olaf. I will use cardboard to make structure for the haju. Yay! The floor and walls is full of blue. Bottering windows. Now we adding the frames. Bottering the house also with blue. Let's make the first furniture. Wrap silver star paper around the cardboard. Adding the same pieces but different size. The piece on top got hole. Now we ensemble small pieces of Formex. Wrap around also with that silver star paper. Glitter door and black buttons. And with black foam on top. This one have longer shape. It's covered with white. There are two parts on this one. Recycle straw and swab and put them here. 2 buttons for hot and cold. So hot, I need water. What can I do with this? Aha! Now we have a completed sink.
I got these things for Elsa.
Oh hey, so many buttons. Wow! Can you guess what is it? A blue round face and buttons on corner. It's a washing machine. Dirty clothes put in here. Our kitchen is done. A kinder egg? Looks so yummy. With this long cardboard, detached it. Wrap around the half of kinder egg. Border with white. Now we need clay. Let's shape it like this. We rolling it as much as we can. Then bordering on top. Make texture for it. Wrap around with huge patch of diamond. This is for faucet. Adding buttons and our bathtub completed. I have a candy box right here. It's empty now. Let's recycle it. I just need the upper half. Replace label with big diamonds. Our bathroom is done. Next is the most coolest thing. Can you guess what is it? Yay, a racing car for Olaf. It's have blue and some glitter parts, bordering with diamond chains. The wheels also have hot pink, adding cushion with tiny flowers. A few more details so the car looking luxury.
Wow!
It's snow. Next is second floor. I plan to have bedroom on this. So now I'm making a bed full of blue. The cushion with be stuffed with cotton. Adding cyan fabric for blanket. Put in the middle with blue laces and dot ribbon. Put the cushion on bed and we done. The headboard we got the shape of crown. It's also have a cyan color, then we border around with golden beads chain. Diamond heart beads on. Now set it on the right place. Another cardboard with silver star paper. That's right, silver star is a main pattern. We ensemble with fuse more pieces, then bordering everything with diamond chains. I still have a red button. Wrap around it with pink foam and white lace. The straw with flower bead will be the stand. We have a gorgeous lamp. Next, I'm gonna make a drawer. It's made from cardboard, white paper and glitter foams. Adding handles on the front. And U-shape Formex under it. This will be makeup corner. Our bedroom and makeup corner just finished. Let's take a look. Now for the highest room. I would like to make a chill room. Using full of blue clay to make it. We can also curving like this to make a soft border. So now I'm making a sofa. Adding back in armchairs. Luxury cushion on. I think about making special thing, a crib. It will make from Formex. Head and food has hot pink color foam. Bordering diamond chains around. Put in soft fabric. What do you think of this room? We can call it a baby room. This furniture is a rocking chair. It got pink and purple color with snowy. Last but not least, the closet. It's made from blue glitter. 2 doors border with diamond chains and snow on it. Last thing is hot pink drawer. It got drawers with daisy knobs. Our frozen house is completed. Olaf will love it.